That rumbling in your stomach isn't just hunger. It's your body doing cleanup. Even when you're not eating, your digestive system stays active. Every few hours, your brain signals your gut to sweep out leftover food and bacteria. Muscles in your stomach and small intestine contract in waves, like a janitor with a mop. This process is called the migrating motor complex. And those growling sounds, they're just echoes of that deep cleaning. When your stomach's empty, there's nothing to muffle the noise. So the growls get louder. So next time your stomach rumbles in a quiet room, don't be embarrassed. It's just your gut taking out the trash, keeping your system clean and ready for the next meal. Even silence has biology behind it.